Hello and welcome to another exciting exploration at the intersection of technology and everyday life. Today, at NebulaNexus VR Network, we're venturing into uncharted territory to discuss a topic that's sparking curiosity and concern alike: the fusion of Apple Vision Pro with Tesla driving. Imagine cruising down the highway, your eyes behind the cutting-edge VR technology of the Apple Vision Pro, all while your Tesla hums beneath you, guided by its autopilot system. This scenario brings us face to face with groundbreaking possibilities and raises important questions about safety, legality, and the future of driving as we know it. So buckle up as we dive deep into this fascinating journey, examining every angle and uncovering what lies ahead in this tech-infused road trip. Venturing into the fusion of Apple Vision Pro and Tesla driving brings us into a novel terrain where technology's cutting edge meets the open road, a domain ripe with possibilities and pitfalls. At the heart of this exploration is the paramount concern of safety. Picture a driver, eyes shielded by the sleek interface of the Apple Vision Pro, immersed in a virtual landscape. While this might amplify the driving experience with layers of information or entertainment, it raises critical questions about distraction and sensory isolation. Could a virtual alert system, for example, effectively snap a driver's attention back to the real world in a split second of danger? Or would it serve as just another layer between the driver and the urgent reality of the asphalt beneath their wheels? A legal maze. The legal landscape forms a complex backdrop to these technological innovations, with laws struggling to keep pace with the rapid evolution of gadgets and gizmos. In one jurisdiction, strapping on a VR headset behind the wheel might land you a hefty fine or worse, while in another, it's the Wild West with tech. This legal patchwork makes for a bewildering set of guidelines for the tech-savvy driver, illustrating the need for a unified approach to tech regulation on the roads. Tech synergy or risk. Tesla's sophisticated autopilot system introduces another layer of complexity. Could the integration of Apple Vision Pro offer enhancements, such as real-time data overlays that inform and assist the driving experience without distracting? Or could this integration lead to a false sense of security, where drivers over-rely on automation and neglect their critical role in ensuring safety? The integration of these technologies could go in multiple directions, from a symbiotic relationship that enhances driver awareness and safety to a problematic one that increases the risks of the road. Expert insights. The perspective of experts in this field is invaluable, offering a beacon of insight amidst the fog of innovation. From the technologist who dreams up these integrations to the legal expert who navigates the thicket of regulations, and the safety advocate who keeps their eyes firmly on the human cost of technological advancement, each brings a vital viewpoint to the table. For instance, a tech developer might herald the dawn of a new era of enriched driving, while a road safety expert could underscore the importance of unobstructed sensory engagement with the driving environment. Public pulse. Public perception is another critical dimension, serving as the real-world litmus test for the viability of combining VR and driving. Social media polls or street interviews might reveal a dichotomy of excitement for the future and a deep-seated concern for safety. For example, while some might marvel at the prospect of a commute transformed by virtual landscapes, others might voice apprehension about the erosion of driver attentiveness. Futuristic visions. Looking to the horizon, the potential for autonomous driving technology to evolve alongside VR offers a glimpse into a future where today's debates may become obsolete. In a world where cars drive themselves with unerring precision, the role of the driver could shift dramatically, possibly making the use of devices like Apple Vision Pro an enriching enhancement to the passenger experience rather than a contentious safety concern. Thank you for joining us on this thrilling ride through the realms of virtual reality and electric vehicles. As we've seen, blending the Apple Vision Pro with Tesla's advanced driving technology opens up a world of possibilities, but it also navigates us through a maze of safety concerns, legal complexities, and ethical considerations. The road ahead is both exciting and uncertain, and as we steer towards the future, it's clear that innovation and caution must go hand in hand. If you found this exploration enlightening and want to stay updated on more tech trends, insights, and debates, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Your support fuels our journey into the ever-evolving landscape of technology, helping us bring more engaging content your way. So, subscribe to our channel and let's continue to discover, debate, and dream together about the future that technology holds for us all. See you in the next video.